Alright, that's there. So this is the same waterfall. Look at the view there. Yeah. A ramp over there. Oh my mates. Can you say hello for the camera, please? Say hello for the camera. So that's Adil there. That's Ali just falling there. So we're just trying to get to that point where we could actually see the water coming down. Watch this. So that's Adil for you. Come around. Amazing. That's him around shooting the video as well. And if you come around here, look closely. It's a beautiful water. I drank it, and oh god, it tastes the best. Watch this. I'm gonna leave you guys here now for a couple of minutes. I'm just gonna enjoy this beauty, this water, nature, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in a bit.